In winter, big swings between day and night temperatures make humidity levels jump up and down more than usual, which can affect your plants or indoor environment. A humidifier isn't optional in winter. It's plant protection. Keep your grow thriving this winter. During the winter, a dehumidifier can precisely maintain an ideal 50 to 60% humidity range, perfect for keeping your plants in their drying phase healthy and stress-free. A clip fan keeps your tent well ventilated. Without it, stagnant, humid air can create the perfect environment for pests to thrive. Dry air. Turn on a humidifier. Too much moisture. Use a dehumidifier. And keep things moving with a fan.